Alright. My current setup is simple. The Sony ZV-E1, the smallest full-frame camera from Sony, paired with the Sony 16-25mm G lens. It's wide, it's sharp, and crucially, it doesn't make my arms feel like they've been through a 24-hour weightlifting championship. When I say lightweight, I mean lightweight compared to other full-frame cameras, not to an iPhone or DJI Pocket 3. I've shot a lot of 4K 120 FPS on this channel, but this time I need something very cinematic. And after watching the latest season of Drive to Survive, I thought cars drifting in slow motion. So naturally I bought a ticket to one of the biggest drift shows in Eastern Europe. Problem is, it was on the same day as the event, which meant no press pass, no fancy YouTube filming spot. I had to film from the stands, amongst the people, the sea of waving arms, smartphones, and a few people dressed in orange. Enter my zoom lens, the Tamron 70-300mm. This was my secret weapon. With no VIP access and no trackside privileges, I was going to capture the action from a mile away, metaphorically. But will this lens deliver the goods? Or will I end up with a footage so shaky it looks like it was filmed during an earthquake? Well, here we go. Time for some butter. Alright, so what are the settings that I used? Get ready, this is gonna blow your mind. The settings that are used are automatic. Everything is set to intelligent auto. Automatic for everything. ISO, shutter, every single thing set to auto. And I'm sorry if you're disappointed. The only settings that I did that required really fast autofocus was to switch the autofocus from human to vehicle. Life is simple. Go out and film more.